Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Telegram tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to set up Telegram wallet without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Telegram app. Have you opened up your Telegram app? Go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. Then go ahead and click on wallets. Then go ahead and click on agree to the term of use. Then go ahead and hit on continue. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on create new wallet. So I'm going to go ahead now create a new wallet. Select backup method. You can either backup to mail or manually backup. So in this regard, I'm going to back up to mail. Then I'll hit on continue right here. Then you want to make sure you enter your recovery email address. Then make sure you click on continue right here. Then the code will be sent to the mail. So go ahead and check on the mail and get the code. So here we go. This is the mail right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click and hold down. Then copy the code. Then go back to my Telegram. Right here. And I'll make sure I paste the code. And then click on continue. Protect your wallet with passcode. So you go ahead and click on enable right here. Then set your passcode right here. Confirm your passcode. Then you can enable fingerprint or do it later. I'm going to click on maybe later. Wallet was successfully backed up. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do right here is to come down below right here. I will simply click on view wallet right here. And you are done. You have your wallet fully set up in Telegram. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.